And this is Roots. This is Roots Tales, and we're going to be talking about Very Dark Man. The video it came out with about about Yahaya Bello and San Natasha, and even this it has to do with Harrison. But I was so shocked that many Nigerians could not get the video at first when he released the video. Many people was doubting till he came with the second video. That's when some people now understand what he was trying to say. For me, as soon as he dropped that video, even just hearing what he got to say about, oh, Natasha, and then he's going to vote this for him for this election that is going to come in, I just knew that this is something. I don't understand people still doubt him at all. Me, I don't, until I see otherwise something has changed. For me, I don't. I don't see the reason why he would say something different and he will come back again to do different things, because he's shown how he feels about this guy, Yahaya Bello. He's been calling them out about that, what he did. And now the EFCC came out and said that all investigation are still not, he's not being convicted of anything, or he's been suspended, like he hasn't committed any crime. So somebody that you people, they were the one that investigated him and say you even took him to court and give so many evidence. Now you say you couldn't, he has not been charged for any criminal stuff. So now he's coming out to become a senator. Wow. And you think Very Dark Man will support that? Because of, he's saying that because of you people, Nigerians, you Nigerians that always want to fight for what is bad, just the same way you do with the pastors, you do to people who you put highly, you carry people so highly up. No one, even not even the Very Dark Man, is supposed to carry highly, but at least he is showing so much of evidence and so many of something that he says that always comes true for. He's never said anything that you can say, okay, this thing is not true. Yes, he can be arrogant most of the time, or the way he speaks, the way he puts himself, does not mean that he's lying. It's not, doesn't mean. You see him eat the apple one that he just came up now, eating apple and stuff like that. You understand? People saying that it doesn't mean. If you look at what Very Dark Man has done, all the cases he has done that are gone through, even if he didn't go through, and he even said it. Don't think I'm here, I'm fighting to win the case, because Nigeria is so, the corruption is so bad that he even know that some of the things he will not be able to win. But at least he puts a light on that thing, and he makes them see the truth about that person. Whoever that did something, he makes them see the person for who they are. He said it. And now you put saying that somebody put up and say all the cases is done, all is half. No case that he has done is half. Just that some of them might not be solved in your presence or come to online to show, but what damage he has done to that person that he cannot even commit that crime anymore, that is what you should be looking for. And that is what he even wanted to do. That is what he is fighting for, to get them to destroy their way of deceiving people, stealing from people, taking from others, and just putting light on some things that people are doing. If you see online things, and even the government, even in the show, he always come out to show us things that is really going on, and he will prove it, and he will bring the evidence, many things like that. And he has helped a lot too. Many cases he has won as well, even though he didn't win it, they've solved it. Just hearing, even without the ones that he hasn't even called the people just call his name to say that I will report you to Very Dark Man. The case gets solved. That is how many cases he has solved. He has solved so many cases that people will just call his name, and that is it. That case is solved. Just like the guy that they lock his shops when they say this Sharia law, something like that, where they lock his shop and say because somebody use the shop to borrow money, and they just go court, they go Sharia courts, and they seize his shop, and the guy cried out and just mentioned his name, and when he just spoke about it like this, they give the guy back everything, and you say he never solved any case. That alone, can you see that? The girl that did operation, the surgery and everything, did you not see what happened? Two people with him there. all those things that he, like, at least he saved a lot of life after that. You know, the girl that they brought from Cameroon just to come and many, I can't even count, so many that so many cases he has solved. But then now they say it doesn't solve any case. And the people you are praising, that you're thinking the Harrison, that you say, how many has he solved? Nothing, because all what he has been doing is just lies. But you all can't see it. All is a movie content that he was making, using people's life to make content. So what has he done good? Even the one that they used to the guy now that is still in, that haven't released, the guy that is still kidnapped that hasn't been released yet, he didn't do anything there. He just act like he can do something and went there. Because if you look what happened there, he wasn't even supposed to be caught, because he didn't go to give them the money. He wasn't going to do anything about it. All he just do, because they thought he was doing something, he just pretend like he's doing something, collect the money and took from it, because he wasn't doing anything. It was all fake. Instead, it caused more damage to the people. And you're comparing, you're talking about, I don't understand you people. How many cases your government, your police have solved for you people? Or you have activists, them, how many of them they solved? All the ones that they do, see the one for, like you said, the girl, that young girl, I don't want to really talk good there. Nothing. All of them gather hand to put to nothing. And the thing that pains me, that you people want good for the country. You want good for the country, especially those ones that are going with Peter Obi and going with Natasha, Senator Natasha. All those people, I don't like to mention names, because all of them are going. They were still supporting a criminal. Someone you can see it stealing, and you want pity him. You still want people to forgive him, because he's begged for forgiveness. So now that is what he is now showing you, that you want for, okay, so he's stealing because he showed you people that I'm saving people. But now they've told you guys that he's not saving. Even if you can see it, a blind person can see that this guy was lying, even with that very dark man pointing out all those things that he was doing. After I saw things that he already made this mistake, I already started digging. I didn't really know about him much before, but I know only the case of Selena and then the other girl from their story those time when what happened with Mr. Ben. And Mr. Ben was talking on Daddy Freeze the time. That's when I saw the case, and I was like, what is going on? So I listened to that part as well. And then I cannot see that something is not right here, because when Mr. Ben, I listened to Mr. Ben very well, I could see that something is not right with this guy. Because it's just like the pastors too. What they do, they will do things that they cover up with each other. This is how it is with him. He know how to cover up things, but even though he don't even know. Because if you look at the pastor, some things that have been going on, you can see that if you start looking back, you say, oh my God, these people have been doing these things, You start seeing it in your head. The same way with RC, if you cannot go back to all the things he's been doing, you can see that he don't even know how, he's not good in lying. He's not even good with what he was lying about. If you go and check it, you'll see everything is just, it's been playing us all along. And now it come out, very dark man come out to tell you guys, this is what you are begging for. You're begging for forgiveness, because this is what your government are doing. So they will come out and say, vote for me, I will do this next when you vote for me. And after they enter, they don't do the things, and you people are angry. But now somebody steals, did a lot of lying, tricky people, did so many things, and you say, oh, he's begging for forgiveness. So, and the begging for forgiveness, you can see the way he did it. He's just trying to cover his shame, and the very dark man should forget about it. Even though he has been trying to cover up what he has never done before, he's been trying to cover up for him for long, but he took advantage of that. He didn't care, because of he just want to be the savior, because that he want that name of savior. That's why he was doing those movies. He wants to be a savior and add savior with money. With that money will control more of what he's doing, because everybody that is becoming out, most of people that come out now to say, and one thing people don't get, oh, he's done some good. Every criminals every criminal, even Anini those days, he has people that he will do good for. He might just meet somebody unknown that he didn't even know. He will just do something nice. He will even hold money for the person and will not take it. It's not every money thieves. It's not everything that they will be doing bad. They will do some good. But when you are starting, when you thief like 3-10 people, that means you are a criminal. One mistake we can hear, okay, maybe mistake, something went wrong, that is why. But when you have stealing from, when you have stole, how do they use English? When you have taken from someone, when you stole from someone different, and you take from another one, this one again, and you start, even that one that you stole from, you start covering. When they find out, you start to cover up. You know this person is real a criminal. Yes, everybody, those people, those bandits too, they have families, they have people who they protect. Even apart from family, they might meet somebody ordinary on the road, they will even save you. Because the circumstance where they had at that time, they can't do it, they will save you. You see? Because they are alone or they are in a place where they know they can't do anything, they will give you the thing, they will make sure everything is fine. Then you will say, when they will catch you, say, but that person was good to me. He even saved me from people to kidnap me then. Because then his mind says, it's just say, I'm telling you, if you go to check all the CSI I've watched, all this criminal, this thing that I've watched, you will see somebody that's a serial killer. He will save some people. He will even take some people. He will just let them go. It's okay, go. I won't touch you. There are some serial killers. They will be taking the life of girls. One day he will take one girl. You just look that girl. You say, okay, you go, I don't take your life. That person will thank him, I'll thank you, will go. And many people have come to like that, say, then he took me there, no, he let me go, stuff like that. Many like that. So don't say, oh, you didn't, when he comes, some people come out and say, but it was good to me, it was good. I saw it on Daddy Free, some of them come out like that. Yes. So that is what I'm going to say. Nigeria should start believing, not waiting to speak before they start crucifying, before they start crucifying very dark man. When they speak out, wait for him to come up with a law before you start saying, oh, he did this or he did that. Or think where, go check, look, see the things that is going on before you speak about him. And the thing is that the guy is so wise than you, so clever than you all, because before you come up with something else, he already find out. When they did this Apple thing, now he came up with a lot to give you guys, to show you many things, to compare. Even though if it's 2 people you are saved, at least he didn't take money from them, he didn't lie to them, he didn't trick them. Is that not enough? That is okay. If we can have many of him like that, to save people like that too, and not take. If Harrison was the same, he didn't do much, maybe he carried to how many cases, he only win 1 case, or he only managed to fight 1 case and he succeed. Even if he didn't finish succeeding, at least he didn't take money from them, he didn't charge them to do it, he didn't steal from them. You understand? He will be praised for that one. But if he save many people, if he save 3 people and he will catch him one day, he take from 1 person, that means you have to check, you have to investigate the others to see what has gone down, to know before you start saying, oh, the person is good or so. But Nigerians just jump into it. It's our savior. So people, that's what I wanted to say about this very dark man one. When I saw his video about the supporting of Yahaya Bello, I knew this was just a joke. And I just knew straight away. I don't know. I just know straight away that this is why he was saying it. Especially when he put Natasha there and everything. I just knew straight away where he was coming from and where he was going. So there was no me thinking twice about it. But I was so shocked that many people, even think differently. Well, let's see what is going to happen. And him even saying this now, might make some people go vote for him, but even though he was trying to just show example of something. That's why sometimes you Nigerians, you fight it for something and you fight it for good and you're fighting for bad. You fight it for good and you're fighting for bad. You need to stick one place, stay one place. Nigerians, you need to stay one place, especially those ones of you that call yourself activists, especially going with politicians, trying to help them. Now you are damaging their things. Now you people follow politicians a lot in behind, saying, you know, Natasha, we follow you to the court to do this and this, and now you come back to fight for somebody that is doing bad. You need to sit one place. Don't talk. If you come to, because you don't like somebody, you don't need to put your mouth. Fight for the good thing that you are fighting for. Stick there. When this will come up, you don't need to speak about it, even though they say it. Wait and see what is going to happen. Now you're talking on people's things will damage the things that you are fighting for the other person that is just a good person. Because Senator Natasha now she's doing her best, she's doing the best thing so far, but because of you bad seed that are behind, fighting for something else and still looking to fight somebody because you don't like them and being against them because of that and fighting for the wrong thing, it will make people to doubt the person you are going with, and it will make, now you can spoil their own things for them. That is the thing you guys don't know. So I don't know if this makes sense what I'm saying, but guys, thank you for watching. And if there's anything I maybe you didn't agree with me, please put in the comment section. Let's talk about it. There's no cursing or anything. This is my 2 cents. Put yours in the comment section and we'll talk about it more. And please share, likes and subscribe so that you can see more of my commentary, so that I can comment on some things and I will tell some stories. Will enjoy it, because I'll be doing some commentaries, and I'm not going to be talking about every comment I see. I just pick once and I put it together, and I always wait to see more before I talk about it. I don't just come out like everyone will just run before Very Dark Man just make you see everybody already comment. They don't wait to know what's next. Comment everywhere. opinion everywhere. You know, this is why people go wrong, you know, and this is what happened to Rita, the Rita lady that comments with Very Dark Man now say something. But I like her for the way she come out and apologize, you know, straight away she apologized, and you can see that she's very, very straightforward person. That even show how more intelligent she is, even though she made mistake of coming out to post something. You know this person is fighting for the rights. You didn't wait to hear more or to see, and even said, he said, I don't want to say anything until he come out. He's giving him chance, but nobody waits, and they start to join the things that they're not supposed to join. But one thing I like her for is that she never attacked Very Dark Man. She only just speak her words, speak her truth, what she feels. But at least she came out to apologize, and I was happy when I see Very Dark Man respond to her. You can see that Very Dark Man really respected her so much, you know, because he said among everybody, she's the one that pains him much and shows respect for her. It even makes me like her more because of what Very Dark Man. I see that Very Dark Man really care about her. So every one of you, thank you. Please like this channel so that I can go further. Thank you all. Bye.